So my mom's birthday is tomorrow and she is obsessed with the natural deodorant that I make. She said it's the best deodorant that she's ever used. And honestly, I could not agree more. Obviously, because I made it. So today we're making more deodorant. It's really simple to make and our armpits are gonna love it. 1 tablespoon of shea butter. Half a tablespoon of wax. I'm using Candelilla wax. 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. For a second, I was like, oh my gosh, I'm almost out of coconut oil. But then I found this under the sink. Now we're gonna heat this on the stove just until it's melted. Okay, now that she's melted, we're gonna stir in 1 tablespoon of magnesium hydroxide. Instead of magnesium hydroxide, you can also use zinc oxide or aluminum-free baking soda. 2 teaspoons of arrowroot powder. And lastly, if you want it scented, 12 drops of whatever essential oils you want. I'm going for a woodsy kind of foresty smell. So I have rosemary, thyme, cedar, and pine. Now we're gonna pour it in our KIIMA deodorant mold. Okay, it's been a few hours. Now she's nice and hard. Now we're gonna transfer it to our KIIMA refillable applicator. Just taking off this little clip here. Oh, okay. And then we're gonna plop this in here. Put the clip back on. So yeah, both these items are from KIIMA. They're a new eco-friendly company on a mission to reduce the plastic waste around the world. 1 deodorant at a time. So ideally, this will be my mom's last deodorant container she ever needs. And here's mine. It's blue. I love it. Each year, 3 billion plastic deodorant containers are thrown out. This plastic ends up in our landfills and in our oceans. It should not be taking the beauty world as long as it is to switch to eco-friendly packaging. It's disgusting and disappointing. It's not just deodorant, it's every single thing we buy. But we as consumers have the power to make better choices, 1 item at a time. And if you really don't give a fuck about the environment, the other reason to make this is for your health. Like if your deodorant contains parabens, aluminum, triclosan, phthalates, or fragrance, I recommend looking into those ingredients further. I know this is still controversial, so if you trust the government with your health, if you trust billion-dollar companies with your health, then just ignore me. But if you don't, I got you. If you're interested in this, but you don't really want to actually make the deodorant yourself, KIIMA also sells deodorant refills. They are natural and vegan. Got some from the Unscented company, as well as Green Beaver and a few other companies. You can buy a KIIMA and then just keep buying refills whenever you run out. I'll put a link in my little link tree bio. This is the kind of brand that deserves to flourish and become mainstream. And I really, really hope that I can help make that happen. Anyways, I love you. Wish my mom a happy birthday, please. Okay, bye.